Hi, welcome to AIMS. Uh, in this video, we are going to see a few reports generated from the fees records. As you have seen the fees receipt voucher list, so you can view all the fees receipt vouchers which has been collected, whether that is bank or cash. You can see all like mode bank account, MCB bank, that's a reference number, etc. And you can print from here. Search due fees. You can search from here fees group, playgroup examination fees, playgroup, and section A. If you search here, you can see the report here. So these are the due fees, and you can collect fees from here, and you can print the report as well. Fee statement, as I showed you in the previous video, and if you look for the other one or unpaid, and if you print it, so you can see the report here. And the other one is balance fees reports. So if you select class and section, if you select a section, or if you don't select section, it will show you uh, section wise. And if you don't select the section, so it will show you for both sections, but it's not showing here. So section wise, and if you print it, okay, the record will be updated. So that's how we are looking into the reports. Fees collection reports, this year select by ABCD or what class, search. So that fees has been collected by the admin, and let's see if it's printing it. Yeah, so that's the fees collection report from this date to this date. Online fees collection which has been paid through bank or like online channel, this year search, and that has been paid through bank or like online channel. Print reports, it will generate the report, and that's how you can print it. And daily collection report, oh, okay, now it is. So these are a few reports. Rest will be sorted out ASAP. Thank you very much for the